All right, I just took out a few things. So also there's an inspection sticker right here, quality control, and whatever the parts. So took out this, whatever this is. I'm not sure what that is yet, but took out this box right here. And this box is right here. It says "Me First." Oops, it says "Me First." So basically, open it up. What's in here? Says, "Welcome to the family." This is the I guess this is the unpacking and assembly manual right here. Basically tells you how to put the thing together, and gives you whatever information. And it's on, it's in what is it in English? Is it in DE? What's DE? DE is I guess German. Is that right? FR is French. So English, German, and French. Like that. This one right here. Oh, this is the owner's manual. So owner's manual. I guess tells you how to use the thing. So this book was the assembly book. And this book is the owner's manual book. And this one just tells you the tools. So underneath that, you have the tools. So you like little Allen key right here, oversized Allen key. It's pretty big. You got a little T-handle key with a little bit right here. It looks like a 2mm or 3mm. It's 3mm. So that's all the tools you need, huh? And I think that's more in here. Or you want this more? Oh, this is a torque wrench. This is a torque wrench. So there's the torque numbers right there, Newton meters. And there's more little bits right here for more sizes. So I see a Torx, that looks like a Torx 25, maybe a Torx 30. I guess the other ones are like a 4mm, 5, and probably a 6mm, I guess. Right here is the, what is this? Oh, this is the valve stem for tubeless. This is a chainring thing. This is for the spoke protector. This is like sort of a safety thing. No one uses that. This thing won't last anyways. You take this on a mountain bike ride, this thing will fall off the first ride. So this is the wheel stuff. And some stickers. Let's see. Pedals, so I won't be using that. Reflectors, so this is a safety thing. All bikes supposed to come with that, legally speaking. This, I have no idea what this is. What is this? Anti-slip paste. For aluminum and carbon fiber, increased friction. 30%. Slip paste for what? I'm not sure what that's for. This right here is a little key chain. It's kind of cool. So a little keychain. YT keychain. It's looking at the edge here. It looks like it's been laser cut. Almost looks like a shear. No, it's laser cut. Almost looks like a shear right here because there's like two distinct lines. But that's usually a shear, but it's not. It's laser cut. I can see the little grooves from the laser cut. Yeah, so that's all that. I don't think I need any of this. Maybe except for the tools in here. I think I need anything else. So let's continue on with the assembly.